It's a really, really interesting spot because in the end, what you have to think about is that car manufacturers, as of today, they are really owning the customer touch point in the car. So they really decide on what and how something is shown to the driver in the car. On top, they also have lots of data. So they have all the sensor data that is available from the connected cars that are out there. So all in all, they have like a great opportunity leveraging those kind of data points together with the driver touch point and can really shape what is shown in the car and therefore monetize what is visible to the drivers. Forescreen and 3SS, we are partners because we see big potential in the in-car entertainment, especially when we now look at major trends such as electrification or autonomous driving. In-car entertainment becomes more and more important because just imagine if you need to make a stop to charge your car and you maybe have 20-30 minutes. You start watching something on your car screen, like an in-car video, based on the 3SS solution, and after you watch the video, which may be a cooking video that you want to know where to do the grocery shopping for that, and that's where the big benefit between 3SS and Forescreen comes in place. So basically you as a driver get like the in-car entertainment from 3SS, but also relevant and contextual recommendations by our Forescreen technology. Yeah, we see it at the IAA this year. Like there are lots of changes and challenges for the OEMs upcoming. There are new players pushing in the market, like Chinese OEMs, but also the focus really needs to be set on the right development task. And what 3SS and Forescreens are doing is really bundling a great product offering so that the OEM can really focus on their core business and develop what they need, and therefore 3SS and Forescreen are offering great potential for OEMs.